wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah and this is Sammy the horse.
And I'm Olivia and this is Princess Pony.
Welcome back to
Dream Again! Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Oh, Princess Pony is giving me kisses. Yeah.
Oh, get off of me. That's too much spit.
So today, we thought it'd be so much fun to tell you about horses.
Yay!
Yay, horses! Do you know why horses count as an activity?
No.
Horses count as an activity because you can ride them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Do you know what else horses do that's active?
No.
They are in the rodeo.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And they can also be, how do you call it, equestrian? I don't know, that's a big word.
Equestrian.
Equestrian.
Yeah.
There
That's the word. And what else, Noah? You and I like to do this. People who run track do this. They have what?
Horse races.
Yeah, horse races, guys. Yeah, super fast horses. Yeah, like
Maybe we can do a horse race later.
Oh, I would love to do a horse race.
Did you know that a fowl, when it's born, it immediately stands up on its own and can run?
The baby horses can do that. We can't do that for a long time.
No.
Yeah, and also, did you know that horses can sleep standing up or laying down?
Yeah, I knew that.
Wouldn't that be? Oh, good job. I think it'd be neat to sleep standing up. Look, wait, I'm asleep. You can't tell.
Did you know that horses have 205 bones and the human adult has one bone more than a horse?
Whoa! So we almost have the same number of bones as a horse?
Yep.
Do you know which bone the horse doesn't have?
Collarbone.
Whoa, a collarbone. That's in the neck, guys. Like here. Yeah. Wow, that's really neat.
Yep.
Oh, and did you know that horses, like people, wear shoes?
No.
Yeah, horses have horseshoes, and they're lucky. Did you know, this is my last horseshoe fact. Do you know that if you hang a horseshoe over the door, like they do it at barns sometimes, they do that because it's good luck?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's why I've seen that before.
Yeah, isn't that neat?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Did you know that Native Americans used to not wear a saddle or put a saddle on their horses, but they would just ride like that?
They would just ride like
With a blanket.
With a blanket?
All natural.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, that's a skill.
Wow. I think the saddle makes it easier for me because I'm little, so I need the stirrup to get on.
Yep.
Yeah, I wonder how'd they get on? I've seen before where like some people who are really good at horses can jump onto the horse. They like
Yeah. That's pretty amazing.
That's very amazing.
I can't do that yet.
No.
I'm just learning.
Yeah, well also we're shorter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what else?
And horses, they don't eat meat. They only eat grass and carrots. Yeah, carrots. They like carrots. Oh, but guess what?
What?
They do like sugar cubes. Oh, and apples. Apples are like a dessert treat to horses. Yum. Yum.
Yep.
Oh,
What?
their teeth, right? Their teeth never stop growing their entire lives.
Yeah, that's why, because they eat so much grass and green stuff and apples and they rub it, and that's why it needs to keep on growing.
Wow, yeah. They grind them, I guess.
Did you know that if you stand right behind a horse and right in front of the horse, it can't see you?
Oh, yeah. I remember. I think you told me that one before. That's neat.
And horses have the largest eyes from any living mammal on Earth.
Wow. And their eyes are on the sides of the head, so that's why they can't see the very front or the very back, but they can see the entire side on both sides, so they can see almost everything. So, like this, now I could see Noah. When I look like this, now I can't see Noah. Wow.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Okay, I'm ready for a horse race.
Okay, let's go horse racing.
Let's go.
Come on, Princess Pony, let's
You
win.
start.
Okay. I'm gonna go this way. Wait! You can't catch me! I'm super, super fast!
I'm coming. I'm close.
No! Tally-ho! Tally-ho! Go, horse, go!
Go, Sammy. Go, Sammy. Come on. Faster, faster, faster.
Go, Princess Pony! Yeah!
I'm coming.
Yeah!
Let's go. Let's go, Sammy.
Let's go! Get it up! Yeah! Can't catch me, Noah!
I'm coming.
Nope, you're not gonna get me! You can't catch me!
I'm almost there.
Come on, Princess, we got this!
Come on, Sammy. Faster, faster, faster.
Good girl! Go, go, go! Woo! Yay!
That was close.
Wow! That was neat!
Yeah, that
Whew.
was. That was a good race.
It was a very good race.
That was good
Yeah.
exercise.
I bet these horses are tired.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so fun riding them. And did you see
Yeah.
the fields that we
Yeah,
rode?
we went through the fields and by the beach. Oh,
It
wow.
was so nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, horses are so fast. They can go so many places, too.
Yeah. I guess
Wow.
now it's time for us to bring back our horses to the barn and
Yeah.
give it some water and give it some, grass and maybe even an apple for dessert because they had so much fun
Yeah,
too.
and some hay and maybe some carrots because carrots are delicious.
And maybe we can
Oh.
even comb them. They really like
Oh yeah,
that, don't
we
they?
we can give them a rub down. Yeah,
Rub
that's what
down.
they call it. You like pat the horse and you rub it down after a race so it's less tired.
That sounds good.
Yeah, sounds good.
Well, let's
Wow.
do that. So, kids, we're going to bring our horses back to the barn. So, we'll see you later. And
Okay, we'll see
thanks
you
for
later.
joining us and have
Yeah.
fun learning more
Yeah.
about horses. And
Yeah.
I hope you get a chance to ride a horse.
Yeah, one of these days, huh? Riding a horse is really, really fun.
Yeah.
Okay, bye, kids.
Bye, kids. See you next
Have
time.
fun. See you next time. Come on, Princess Pony. Let's go.
Come on, Sammy. Olivia,
What, Noah?
we got an alligator hanging in our mailbox.
What? An alligator in the mailbox? Kids, that could be terrifying.
I hope he won't bite me.
I don't think he will. He looks like a friendly alligator.
Look at this.
Oh, wow. That is very, very impressive.
That is very impressive.
Wow. Thank you guys for your really fancy art. Who's this one from?
Oh, I'll check.
Oh,
Benjamin from California.
ooh, Benjamin from California. Very,
Wow.
very nice. Wow. I bet Benjamin went to the zoo and saw a real alligator. That's
Yeah,
very
probably.
lifelike. Mhm.
Or maybe he was in Florida vacationing.
Ooh, yeah, Florida vacationing would have been nice.
Yeah.
Lots of
Oh.
sun. Hopefully he did.
We've just lost an eye. Oh, I'll fix it again, Benjamin.
We'll glue that back on. Sorry, Benjamin.
Yeah, sorry, Benjamin.
Yeah. But really, really, really good job. Sometimes the mail, coming through the mail is a little rough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But thank you very much. We
Thank
really
you.
Can I put this in my room?
Oh, yeah. Of course you can put that
okay.
in your room.
Thanks,
Yeah.
Benjamin. Benjamin, I'm gonna hang this up in my room.
Yay! And I'll come look at it sometimes.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hugs are great because they make you feel special. So hug someone you love to show you care. Wrap your arms around them and hold them close. Elmo loves to hug. Hug you the most.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
If you like what you see on Dream Again,
Please hit the subscribe button
like us!
and comment below.